In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from $0 to $500 per day with TikTok and affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard that right. Now, the strategy I'll be revealing works worldwide. If you follow along, you'll be able to implement these strategies and start making money immediately. Alright, let's get started with the first step in going from $0 to $500 a day with TikTok affiliate marketing. Step 1. Sign up for an affiliate program. We're going to use Amazon Associates, Amazon's own affiliate program. This program allows you to sign up, promote products on Amazon, and start making money. Once you're signed up with Amazon Associates, head over to TikTok and type in the keyword Amazon must-haves. We want to find Amazon products that are trending and going viral on TikTok. You'll see multiple videos, but focus on ones with high views. For instance, I found a video with 16.2 million views showcasing a cool product with a wow effect, exactly what we want to promote. Next, search for that product on Amazon. If you can't find the exact item, choose a similar one. Get your affiliate link by clicking on Get Link and copy it. This is the link we'll be promoting on TikTok to make money. In case you're new to affiliate marketing, it's simple. Promote a company's products through a unique link, and earn a commission on sales made through that link. Now, let's move to step 3, creating a Linktree account. Linktree lets you put multiple links in your Instagram and TikTok bio. This is crucial because, on TikTok, you'll be promoting various products. Instead of constantly switching out your affiliate links, create a Linktree account to house multiple links. Choose an easy-to-remember name for your Linktree, like Amazon Must-Have Store. If you have fewer than 1,000 followers on TikTok, you won't have the link in bio feature. So, direct people to your Linktree in your videos. Once you hit 1,000 followers, you can add the link directly to your bio. Until then, keep it simple and memorable. After creating your Linktree account, add your affiliate links. For example, if you're promoting a humidifier, copy the link and paste it into your Linktree. This way, you can easily direct people to your products. I'm also going to change the title right here to Humidifier. With that done, we have our affiliate link, our link account, and the affiliate product we'll be promoting on TikTok. Now, here comes the million-dollar question. How do you create content on TikTok that's guaranteed to get views and, more importantly, get people to buy this humidifier so you can make some sweet cash? In this section of the video, I'm going to show you 3 foolproof ways to get views. 2 of them work like a charm, and the third, well, let's just say it's not exactly a crowd pleaser. But I'm including it anyway. The first step to creating content that gets views on TikTok is using UGC, user-generated content creators. These talented folks make videos for you for a fee. I use a platform called Insense to find high-converting UGC content creators. The quality of creators on Insense is top-notch, and many of them have massive social media followings or are seasoned TikTok pros. All you need to do is visit Insense, link in the description, and look for multiple UGC content creators to hire. They'll make content about your affiliate product, which, in this case, is our beloved humidifier. I know Insense can be pricey, but it's worth every penny. Not only do these creators produce excellent content, but many are also willing to post it on their own pages, giving you instant access to their followers. This saves you the hassle of starting a TikTok account from scratch and waiting forever for your videos to get noticed. If Insense is out of your budget, I've got you covered with links to Fiverr in the description. On Fiverr, you can find high-quality UGC content creators at any price point, even $5 or $10. However, I still prefer Insense because the creators there often deliver better quality and are more likely to share your videos on their profiles. If hiring UGC content creators isn't your thing, you can always order the product yourself and make the video. Yes, it requires a bit more effort and will cost you around $28. But if you get 4 or 5 sales from TikTok, you'll cover your costs. I know, this sounds like more work, but creating content yourself gives you high leverage. Plus, you can reuse that content on Instagram, Facebook Reels, and other platforms. The third option, which doesn't work as well, involves using a software called Pictory. Pictory has a feature called Visuals to Video that lets you compile images of the product and turns them into a video. It's not as effective as hiring a UGC creator or making the video yourself, but it's a good option if you're camera shy or don't want to spend money on hiring someone. The key to success on TikTok is consistency. Don't just post 1 or 2 videos and then throw in the towel. Stick with it, and you'll see results. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out all the helpful resources linked in the description. If you want to dive deeper into affiliate marketing, be sure to check out the next video showing on your screen right now.